Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best bamboo scrubber is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly cleaning tools you can add to your kitchen arsenal, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional plastic brushes that often end up in landfills. Its natural bamboo handle is not only aesthetically pleasing but also durable and comfortable to grip, while the plant-based bristles are tough on grime yet gentle on your cookware, ensuring effective cleaning without scratching delicate surfaces. This humble yet powerful scrubber is designed to tackle everything from stubborn baked-on food to everyday grease, making your dishwashing routine more efficient and environmentally conscious. Number 5. Full Circle Bubble Up Bamboo Dish Brush and Soap Dispenser. Tired of juggling soap and sponges? This innovative design features a built-in soap dispenser. Simply press down to get rich suds for effortless, one-handed cleaning. Cleaning dishes has never been so comfortable. Its ergonomic bamboo handle fits perfectly in your hand, making scrubbing efficient and strain-free. Keep your kitchen tidy and stylish. The elegant ceramic base not only dispenses soap but also provides a perfect spot to store your brush when not in use. We care about your family's health. This product is made with safe, formaldehyde-free materials, ensuring peace of mind with every use. Keeping it fresh is simple. The ceramic base is dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze so it's always ready for the next task. From non-stick pans to cast iron skillets, this brush is designed to tackle all your dishwashing needs effectively. What we like? This one features a unique built-in soap dispenser for effortless one-handed use. If you're looking for a streamlined dishwashing experience and a stylish addition to your kitchen counter, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who appreciate convenience and a tidy workspace. What people say. The bamboo scrubber is effective at cleaning dishes. It is durable and lasts a long time. The scrubber is made from natural materials. Number 4. Palm Pot Brush, Bamboo Round 3-Pack. Introducing our 3-pack bamboo pot brushes. Designed for effective cleaning, these brushes tackle tough messes with ease. With both stiff union fiber and medium Tampico fiber bristles, they're perfect for a wide range of cleaning tasks. Use them on pots, pans, dishes, and even vegetables. The bristles are stiff yet flexible, allowing for deep cleaning in tight spots. They are also safe to use in boiling water, making them incredibly versatile. Crafted from natural bamboo with a smooth, round finish, the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. It's designed to fit perfectly in your palm, protecting your hands. This cleaning kit includes 3 brushes for tackling dirt and stains anywhere. Simply wash with mild detergent and air dry for easy maintenance. We are committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions, we'll respond promptly. Purchase with confidence. What we like? This set offers a variety of bristle types, including stiff and heat-resistant options, making it incredibly versatile. If you tackle tough grime on pots and pans or need brushes that can handle high temperatures, this multi-pack is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who need robust cleaning power for various kitchen tasks. What people say. It is a great scrubber for cleaning dishes. The bamboo material is eco-friendly and durable. The scrubber has a good grip and is easy to use. Number 3. Bamboo Dish Scrub Brushes Set of 3. Tired of stubborn stains? Our brushes feature high-density bristles that easily remove tough grime without scratching surfaces. These are ideal for tackling dirty dishes, cast iron pans, and any other persistent messes in your kitchen. Beyond dishes, they're great for washing fruits and vegetables, cleaning chopping boards, and reaching tight spots. Crafted from sustainable bamboo and natural sisal, these brushes are compostable, making them a great eco-conscious choice. To ensure they last, simply hang them to air dry after use. Avoid prolonged soaking to maintain their natural material. What we like? With its high-density sisal bristles, this brush excels at removing stubborn stains without scratching surfaces. If you prioritize eco-friendly materials and need an effective scrubber for dishes, cast iron, and even vegetables, this set is a great pick. It's perfect for the environmentally conscious consumer who still demands cleaning performance. What people say. The bamboo scrubber is effective for cleaning dishes. It is a good alternative to plastic scrubbers. Number 2. Full Circle Be Good Bamboo Dish Brush. Introducing a kitchen essential designed for both comfort and the planet. Its long, ergonomic handle provides excellent control for all your cleaning tasks. Tackle stubborn messes with confidence thanks to its durable bristles and built-in scraper. It's tough on grime but safe for all your cookware, including non-stick surfaces. Crafted from high-quality, sustainable bamboo and recycled materials, this brush is built to last. Enjoy extended use and contribute to a cleaner planet. Maintaining this cleaning tool is simple. Just hand wash with warm water, air dry, and occasionally oil the handle to keep it in top condition. We believe in cleaning with conscience. That's why it features a sustainable bamboo handle and recycled bristles, making it an earth-friendly choice. From New York, we're a B Corp committed to creating thoughtfully designed, sustainable home care products. Join us in being plastic net zero. What we like. This brush boasts a long handle for extended reach and a built-in scraper for tackling baked-on messes. If you often find yourself needing extra leverage or want to easily scrape off tough residue from pots and pans, this is the brush for you. It's ideal for anyone who wants a comfortable grip and enhanced cleaning power. What people say. The bamboo scrubber is effective for cleaning tough grime. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use. The natural bamboo material is durable and eco-friendly. Number 1. EPLANITA Natural Dish Brush with Replacement Heads. Introducing our eco-friendly dish brush, crafted entirely from natural materials like bamboo and agave cactus fibers. It's the sustainable, zero-waste choice for your kitchen cleaning needs. Our scrubber brush features replaceable heads, so you don't need to discard the entire brush when bristles wear out. This saves you money and extends the product's life, with extra heads included. With its effective Tampico fiber bristles, it effortlessly removes dirt from dishes and cookware. You can achieve a thorough clean without worrying about scratches. This set includes brush heads with varying bristle strengths. Use the softer ones for delicate items like cups and dishes, and the tougher ones for stubborn pots and pans. The comfortable handle design keeps your hands away from hot water and cleaning detergents. Protect your skin from potential irritation caused by harsh chemicals. What we like. This option stands out with its replaceable heads, offering a truly zero-waste and economical solution. If you're committed to reducing plastic waste and want a long-lasting cleaning tool that you can adapt over time, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for the dedicated eco-warrior who wants to minimize their environmental footprint. What people say. The bamboo scrubber is a great alternative to plastic scrubbers, as it is biodegradable and compostable. It is durable and holds up well to scrubbing tough messes. The natural bamboo material is gentle on surfaces while still being effective at cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.